Hello students, so today we are here to study about the topic that is the second line drawing algorithm, which is Bresenham's line drawing algorithm. And before this, in the last class we have seen about the DDL line drawing algorithm, and in that we have seen that there was a disadvantage of DDA algorithm, that it uses round off function to round the floating point numbers which were generated during the algorithm. So in rounding of that floating point number, we were using round off function, which causes a little bit of which causes cost of CPU. So to reduce that, we use Bresenham's line drawing algorithm. So let us study about what is Bresenham's line drawing algorithm, and with the help of its algorithm and an example. So let us see the key features of Bresenham's line drawing algorithm. So this algorithm is used for scan converting a line, and it is developed by Bresenhams. So the algorithm was developed by Bresenhams, and it is an efficient method because it involves only integer addition, subtraction, and multiplication. So only integer is added, subtracted, and multiplied, and as it does not work on the floating point number, so it is very efficient. So these operations can be performed very rapidly, so lines can be generated quickly. And in this method, next pixel selected is that one who has the least distance from true line. We can see this with the help of this diagram. Let us see that. Yes, यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? This is the x axis and this is the y axis, and let's suppose that this is the first point P1 and this is the end point P2. So from the start point to the end point P1 to P2, we will rasterize the line using the intermediate points. So what are the intermediate points? So here we can see that the first intermediate point is this one, and second, and then it's third, then fourth and fifth, like that. So यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है कि कोई भी एक पॉइंट इस लाइन के स्ट्रेट में नहीं आ रहा, बट क्या हो रहा है, कुछ लाइन इट कम्स डाउनवर्ड द main line, and some points occur at the top of the main point. So why this is generated like this? So इसमें क्या हो रहा है कि हम लोग floating point number ऐड नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो जो भी डिस्टेंस बचता है, जैसे मान लीजिए कि अगर दिस इज something value 2 and some value is here 2 and 3. So and this point is 2 point something, 2.4 or 2.5 something, let's suppose that it is 2.5. So यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, ये 2.5 है, तो इसके पहले जो DDA एल्गोरिदम हम लोग यूज़ कर रहे थे, वहाँ पे 2.5 को 2.5 ही ले रहे थे एग्जैक्ट हम लोग, एंड देन वी वर राउंडिंग ऑफ दैट फंक्शन. तो वहाँ पे क्या होता है, लाइन स्ट्रेट होता है. बट यहाँ पे व्हाट वी आर डूइंग दैट वी आर नेग्लेक्टिंग द फ्लोटिंग पॉइंट नंबर. तो क्या हो रहा है, या तो हम 2 ले सकते हैं या फिर हम 3 ले सकते हैं. ये दो पॉसिबिलिटी मेरे पास है, या डाउनवर्ड पोजीशन वाले पॉइंट्स को हम कंसीडर करें, या फिर जो टॉप में है वो पॉइंट को कंसीडर करें. तो what will be the rules for considering this line? So we will study this in Bresenham's this algorithm. So let us see first. So the method works as follow. So assume a pixel P1 x1 y1, then select subsequent pixel as we work our way to the one pixel position at a time in the horizontal direction towards P2. So if it is this point is P1, this point is P1, and this point is P2, and let's suppose that we have to draw this line, and from P1 we will start traversing horizontally, so in this direction, and we will move to the subsequent pixel or the next pixel, and from here we will trace, or we can say that we will rasterize the line using pixels. So once a pixel is chosen at any step, so the next pixel is, there are two possibility for the next pixel. The first one is either the one to its right. So if we are selecting this pixel, then we will select that the right, or let me first draw this. Let let us suppose that this is the pixel P1. Okay, then after P1 what are the possibility that we will take the second line. The first possibility is either the one to its right, that means we can select this one, and the second possibility is one top its right and up, or we can say that one top its right, this one. Okay, so these are the two possibility of moving from one point to 2 points. So let us move to the next slide. So the line is best approximated by those pixels that fall the least distance from the path P1 to P2. So to choose the next one between the bottom pixel S and top pixel T, if S is chosen, so S is the bottom pixel, so if S is chosen, then what are the pixel values? So the next xi plus 1 equal to xi plus the value 1. So this is the position 1 and this is the value 1. In the last class we have seen this, and yi plus 1 remains the same, yi plus 1 equal to yi. So there is no change in yi, but in xi we will increment it with the unit value of 1. So if t is chosen, then xi plus 1 equal to xi plus 1 and yi plus 1 equal to yi plus 1. So if the topmost layer, or we can say that the upper top pixel is selected, तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, we will increase the value of x with 1 and we will also increase the value of y with 1. तो यहाँ पे 1 point का increment होगा. So the actual y coordinate of the line at x equal to x plus 1 is m equal to x, y equal to mx plus c or mx plus b. This is the equation of line. So यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, x का वैल्यू x plus 1 हो रहा है, तो जो भी वैल्यू y का होगा, y equal to mx plus b. So x है x plus 1, तो y equal to mx plus 1 plus b. So similarly we will find out the s and the t. So rather going through this algorithm, I will give you a next a simpler algorithm in the next video. So rather to follow this, we will go through that algorithm. So let us move on to the advantages and disadvantages of Bressenham's line drawing algorithm. So first let us see the advantages. So it involves only integer arithmetic, so it is simple. So there is no calculation of any floating point or decimal point, so it only involves integer arithmetic, and it results in the simplicity of this algorithm. And it avoids the generation of duplicate points. So if a point, we have seen that in every here we can see that in both the cases the x is increased by 1 और x is incremented by 1. तो क्या होता है कि जब हमेशा एक x पे 1 1 ऐड होगा तो कोई भी पॉइंट कभी भी रिपीट नहीं होगा. नो पॉइंट विल रिपीट और नो पॉइंट विल फॉर्म अ डुप्लीकेट पॉइंट. So that is the it avoids the generation of duplicate points. So it can be implemented using hardware because it does not use multiplication and division. Yes, this was the disadvantage of DDA line drawing algorithm. So it is faster as compared to DDA because it does not involve floating point calculation like DDA algorithm. So यहाँ पे floating point number we do not use any floating point number. तो ये क्या होता है, फास्ट एल्गोरिदम है. और लेट अस सी द डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ Bressenham's. So this algorithm is meant for basic line drawing only. Initializing is not a part of Bressenham's line drawing. So to draw smooth lines, you should want to look into a different algorithm. So we have seen in this figure that the lines are not smooth. It forms like zigzag. So rather using this algorithm, we use another types of algorithm to draw any line. So that's all for this lecture. We will go through the algorithms and an example in the next video. So till then, stay tuned. Thank you.